In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a form in Microsoft Forms. This is a useful skill to have, whether you want to create a similar survey or just need to make edits without affecting your original form. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, simply type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the official Microsoft Forms website in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms homepage, you'll need to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. This could be a personal account, a work account, or a school account, whatever is most appropriate for you. Signing in will take you to your My Forms dashboard, where you can see all the forms you have previously created. Now take a moment to look through your dashboard and locate the form you want to copy. The dashboard is organized in tiles, each representing a form, to make it easy to find the one you need. When you've spotted the form, hover your cursor over the tile. This will bring up additional options for that specific form. You'll notice a button appearing on the form tile, often represented by 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options button. Go ahead and click that button. A menu will appear, providing you with a list of actions you can take. From this menu, select the Copy option. What happens next is a pretty nifty feature. Microsoft Forms will instantly create a duplicate of your selected form. It's a perfect clone in terms of the questions, formatting, and settings, so you don't have to waste time setting everything up from scratch. The duplicated form will appear at the top of your list in the All My Forms section, which is where you'll be able to see all your recent forms. It will have the same name as the original, making it easy to identify, but you can rename it if you wish to differentiate it from the original. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a form in Microsoft Forms, all ready for whatever adjustments or tweaks you intend to make. This feature provides a seamless way to reuse your existing work, streamlining your tasks and saving precious time. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Have a great day.